everybody, it's Kareem. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm restoring my jumbo braids to put them in again. I wore these braids late last summer, early fall, and when I took them out, I knew I'd be able to wear them again. They are from Sensationnel's Africa collection. They're the Senegal box braids. And what I'm doing right now is just filling the sink with warm water. I'm going to use co-wash today because it was the first thing I grabbed and I figured it'd be great. Plus I didn't want to use my good shampoo on the synthetic braids, and I use co-wash to wash my hair, so I knew it would freshen them up the way I needed to. I'm basically doing like a washing machine where I just make sure everything's agitated and flipping them around to make sure all of them get some product on them. It really did do the trick with freshening them up, taking out any smells and dirt. I had to do 3 batches because I had like over 100 braids. So every batch I just basically did the exact same thing. I'm squeezing out the excess water and putting them in the blue bowl. And what I don't show you is that I take that blue bowl and go to the tub and rinse them out thoroughly after the last batch. These braids really hold their shapes. As you can see, I'm squeezing them and running my hand up and down, and they really hold their shape and they don't become frayed or anything like that. So they're a really great braid to be able to use more than one installation. After I washed and rinsed them, I laid them out flat and basically just let them air dry overnight. Now, if you want to use them right away, you could probably put a little heat to them by way of a hair dryer on warm or hot, and then you could dry them quicker probably, but I just laid them out overnight and made sure they air dried. And again, look at that quality. The braid is still intact. So here they all installed. I wore them for about 2 weeks. Just recently took them out, but I love the 2 weeks that I wore them. As jumbo braids go, these are, the second time I've worn them, and the second type I've worn. I've worn the one by Shake and Go, and these are by far my favorite jumbo braid. I probably can wear them again. I have saved them just in case, and I would do the same process. So yeah, if you're into jumbo braids, definitely give them a try. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.